I'm back. Getting a lot of viewers who aren't subscribing. That's not allowed. So please subscribe when you watch. Doesn't mean you have to watch it again, just subscribe. So I asked on Instagram what you'd like me to do. Can't remember what most of you asked, but one person asked me to do charcoal, so I always go for the underdog, so I'm going to go for him. And I love charcoal anyway, so that's what we're doing today. All you need is paper and charcoal. Maybe a pencil. So, blue line drawing as usual, starting with my thumbnail. This is blown up from a small drawing. Print it out. Now I use that to get my basic shapes across, draw them down very loosely, because a lot of the drawing will be done with the charcoal. Yeah, charcoal's great. You should give it a go. It's messy though. So ask your mum's permission. It's like drawing and painting. It's a strange thing. Yeah, you can do some nice stuff with it. The only trouble is, unlike paint, it doesn't dry. It stays messy all the time, so you've got to be careful with that. But anyway, it doesn't matter. It looks great and it's good fun to do. You should look great. We'll see. And yeah, see you on the other side. Cheers. Another one bites the dust. Literally, got it everywhere. It's probably all over my face, but... So, yeah, I sort of oversimplified it when I said bit of charcoal and paper. As you could see, I used a couple different sorts of charcoal. Soft ones and hard ones, basically. With a charcoal pencil for just a little bit of detail here and there. And a blender, which I used a little bit. And my fingers. Yeah. So, hope you like it. I'm quite happy with it. For the time it took, it's pretty good. I might do some more. And we'll see. I'll see if you like it or not. If you like it, I'll do some more. Yeah, so thanks again. Quick one this time. Next one, I don't know what we'll be doing for the next one yet, but we'll be doing something. Plus there's something interesting coming along on our channel. More about that next time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Just because you subscribe doesn't mean you've got to watch it. But it does mean I get more subscribers, which makes me look great. Yeah. And that's what counts. So, thanks very much. See you again next time. Cheers.